What's going on, Mindful Gang? This is Alex from Mindful Attraction. I want to see the Mindful Gang in the comment section. Hashtag Mindful Gang and hashtag Notification Squad. I want to see you guys represent people, okay? Today we're going to be talking about, once again, Love is Blind. We're going to be reviewing Barnett and Jessica. And the reason why I want to do her again is because my homegirl Jessica, she is out of control, ladies and gentlemen. She is out of control. She needs my help, okay? And I love you, Jessica, but you're doing some classic mistake, my love. You're doing classic mistakes, and that's staying with a man who's not sure about you. The reason why I wanted to make this video is because a lot of you ladies are with guys who are not sure about you, and you stay with him because he keeps giving you the promise of maybe in the future. Let me tell you something, man. Before we start watching the video, there are many reasons why guys are unsure about you, but there are two main reasons. One, he has no options. And so he's trying to muster up the courage to stay with you. I'm not kidding with you. All right? Either you're, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's kind of like he doesn't have a lot of options. So he's like, fuck, this is the only girl I could get. I mean, I'm sorry. I'm freak. This is the only girl I could get. Sorry, YouTube. Or the other one is that he has other options. Or his ex is in the picture. And he doesn't know who to pick. Right? It's almost like when you have three guys trying to ask you out on a date on Friday and you don't know who to pick. You know what I'm saying? You tend to give a fuck less, all right? So we're going to be reviewing it. Before we review it, we have a seminar in New York City, ladies and gentlemen. I got to put the date. I'm going to tell my assistant to put the date right now. But we got a seminar in New York City and a seminar in Toronto next week. What the hell is a fly doing here? I want you guys to attend, all right? I want to see my Toronto fans, okay? I want to see you guys, okay? All right, so let's begin the video, and I'm going to give you guys my take, and let's begin.
About me?
Wait.
Let's do some fun stuff.
I want to have fun.
Okay, what do you want to do?
20 questions, truth or dare.
Truth or dare?
Is it true that you still feel the same way you felt last night?
Ladies and gentlemen, never ask a guy how he feels about you. Let him speak to it through his actions, and let him show you how he feels about you through your absence. You don't get to find out how he feels about you through asking him. You get to find out how he feels about you through your absence, ladies and gentlemen. By the way, do you guys notice I'm saying ladies and gentlemen a lot? The reason why is because I watched this prison YouTube channel called 23&1, and I don't want to go to jail. And Death is his name. He says ladies and gentlemen a lot. It's just, I got used to it. I like calling you guys ladies and gentlemen. I feel so proper, right? But the point is that never, ever ask a guy how he feels about you. You find out how he feels about you through your absence, not through your words. You want to know how he feels about you? Disappear on him. Stop texting him. And then you'll know everything you need to know. But no. You see, you're too impatient. I do the same shit too. You want instant responses, right? You want to know how he feels about you right now, ladies, right? Sorry, it's too hot in here, man. And what that tends to happen is that it causes you to do a lot of desperate things that makes you lose the power. But that's not the point. The point is that if you're feeling like he doesn't like you, if you're feeling like you're not his number one, you don't ask him to make you your number one. You just pull away. Let's keep watching. I got some things to talk to you guys about. Look at this girl. Look at this girl with the that's a psycho smile.
I don't know.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Right?
Okay.
Look, when a man does this to you, she walked away. Yeah, sure, she walked away, but she came back. Look, ladies, let me tell you something, man. If you're gonna walk away, you better walk away. You better walk away and never return. Because nothing makes you look stupider. Sorry, I don't mean to sound mean. Nothing makes you look more idiotic than saying to a guy, we're done. And then the next day, like somebody on YouTube says, the next day you're gonna be sucking a whole lot of dick. We do not want that, ladies and gentlemen. We don't want you. You don't want to be that girl who says I'm leaving and then comes back. There's no way in hell he'll ever respect your words anymore. Never stay with a guy who's uncertain about you. If he doesn't know who to pick between you and some other woman, I don't care how much it hurts your ego. You're not gonna fight. You're not gonna fight. You're not gonna fight because he doesn't like you. I would never make a girl who I love fucking fight for me. I will never do that shit. Because I don't want to lose her. Unless I don't care about you. Unless I, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on, ladies and gentlemen. You cannot be staying with a guy who, if he's uncertain about you, he just doesn't have strong emotions for you. And you need to admit it to yourself and stop wasting your time. You guys are like, oh, he's mean today. He's fucking yelling at us. What the fuck?
Jessica would be a good wife, but
Shut up.
after my dates with Amber and Elsie, I'm scared to have to pick between any of these girls. Because
You see, and so look, and that's what happens when you have a lot of options, ladies. This is what happens. Is that you don't know who to pick. And it devalues you. Do not, if he's uncertain about you, you're not gonna say, let me know when you're certain, motherfucker, you move on, motherfucker, you go get some goddamn therapy so you can get over him, and if he comes back, he comes back. But you're not gonna wait for him. Like fucking like who? Like a black kid waiting for his dad. That happened to me when I was a little kid. My dad left, alright, so it's not, actually my cousin used to leave. I remember my cousins, when I was a little kid, I used to be so lonely. I still remember. And like my cousins, when they used to come over, I used to just want to talk to them. These motherfuckers used to say, I'll be back, go in the backyard, and then hop the fence and leave me. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. I just got some sad flashbacks. I'm not gonna lie, people. That when I was a little kid, that really hurt, man. That really hurt. Cause when I was a little kid, I just wanted a guy role model. You know, I just wanted, you know, like I wanted some male energy in my life. No homo. I just wanted like that strong. I was tired of being around women, man. God damn, I was always around women. I fucking hated that shit, man. I was like, these women, all they do is gossip and fight. I need a man in my life. No homo. I need a man in my life, man. That was when I was a little kid. I was tired of hanging around women, man. Just annoyed the living hell out of me, man. Ugh, God. Sorry about that. You guys can interpret whatever the hell you guys want about this little spirit I just had. But that was just, when I was a little kid, I was inundated with too much females in my life. That just, oh God, man, let's keep going. Maybe that's the reason why I can't stay with somebody.
because I know all the qualities that they have and all the good things that can come from each person, you know. I don't know what's up.
Look, like, let me tell you something. When I'm with a girl, when I'm asking a girl out, and I say, yo, girl, let's get a drink. And she's like, I don't know. What? Yo, girl, you want $1 million? I don't know. What? Anytime you want something, it's either yes or no. It's either yes, it's never a maybe. What that says to me is that I'll let you find out. I just want to make sure that my main dude is going out with me, and if he doesn't go out with me, I'll think about it and go out with you, or I'll let you know, or maybe, or can you let me know later, motherfucker? You never find, you don't wait. You just said no, don't worry about it, man. Let's just do it some other time. You back off. You don't make nobody wait. You don't wait for nobody. You don't wait for nobody. You feel what I'm saying? Nah, you don't know what I'm saying. Oh my God.
In my mind, I know I have connections and emotional connections with people, and I don't know how to like differentiate feeling good from, you know.
This motherfucker bullshitting out his ass, ladies and gentlemen. He is bullshitting out his ass.
Feeling the, you know, L word almost.
You see?
Okay. I feel like I should go.
And look. It's good that she did that, but she came back. She came back for that dick. And that's where guys lose respect for you. It's hard, but you have to understand the consequences of staying with a guy who's uncertain about you. You develop some needy habits. You begin to develop some habits that are absolutely destructive whenever you find a good relationship.
You got to stay away from unnecessary burdens and unnecessary problems. And staying with a guy who's uncertain about you is an unnecessary burden or problem. And simply because he's saying maybe, simply because he's acting like, I don't know, you gotta give me some space. I gotta meditate on this. Yeah, give me a minute. Just because he's doing that, that sort of keeps you there. Understand that. Do not buy into the appearances. Don't buy into it. Anytime there's any scintilla of uncertainty, that motherfucker's not interested. Simple as that. I'm sorry. I am sorry. And if he comes back to you and says, baby, I'm back, I'm ready. Okay, motherfucker. But you know what? You keep your distance. You remain skeptical. Like in the last video that I made, you wait for any scintilla of this interest because you're pulling away after that. Or you're pulling away. Unbelievable, ladies and gentlemen. Unbelievable. And I talk a lot about this in my course, Natural Chemistry. There's a section about boundaries that you guys will love to check out. And I'll send you guys a link. No, you guys can check out the course for free though, okay? But that's how it is, ladies and gentlemen. Man, look, man, I'm gonna be reviewing this homegirl. Jessica has given me a brain hemorrhage. She is giving me headaches left and right, man. Like I just cannot believe some of the things that she did in this season. But we love her though. I get it. It's not easy, man. I'll be honest with you. It's not easy. So I understand, man. I know where she's coming from. To some degree, I am the same. To some point, I am the same as her. So I understand. I'm not trying to bash her. All right? So Jessica, if you're watching this, hit me up. Okay? Just DM me. I'd love to talk to you. Okay? Daddy would treat you right. Oh, sorry. Anyways, ladies, sorry about that. If you guys enjoyed this video, comment down below. Let me know. Let me know what you guys think about this, man. Is it true? Would you stay? Have you stayed with a guy who was maybe? And how did that turn out? Comment comment down below. And if you like this video, and I know some of you guys watch me and are not subscribers, hit the subscribe button, please. And don't forget to hit that like button, okay? All right, or else I'll close the channel. All right, people. Peace out. All right, ladies. So finally, I have released my second course for women, which is Natural Chemistry. This course is a 5-week course. 5-week course where every week you're gonna get a new set of videos based on specific issues. This course is all about how to create and maintain the attraction in any man. This will help you create love. This will help you deepen the love with your man. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is genuine natural chemistry. No more short-term partners, no more being fooled. Why? Because I will reveal to you not only how to create attraction in the first week, but also how to understand male nature, how to understand their tricks, how to prevent from being too attached, signs that he's the wrong guy, signs that he's a narcissist, signs that he's a mama's boy, signs that he's an emotionally available guy, emotionally unavailable guy. We go over everything. We go over this 3rd week, setting boundaries. We go over the 3rd week, controlling your emotions, right? Setting boundaries, 4th week, 5th week, embracing your masculine and the feminine, right? And on top of that, I have over 10 different bonuses. 10 different bonuses. My Lord have mercy, right? With a money back guarantee. The bonus are 1, the natural chemistry, over 10 hours of content, right? The breakup formula, how to deal with a breakup, right? The connecting with your man, right? Establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, the goal setting seminar, which is about how to set and achieve goals, practical mastery that will teach you how to master anything. The laws of human nature. I have a book club for the laws of human nature with over 4 hours of content, right? The transformational seminar in a pocket, which is my mindfulness seminar, and the Chase audiobook. This originally is $1,800, but you get it starting at $97, ladies and gentlemen, right? $97. We have different packages, but all of this starts at $97. And you know what? You can check it out for free if you want. Yeah, for all the freeloaders, I have free videos just for you. Free videos, all right? So you could just check it out for free and then you could get out. Nothing wrong with that, all right? So, and on top of that, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. That's right. No questions asked. I don't mind. I just want you guys to check it out because I know when you take one look, you're going to want to buy it. I could promise you. Just like my other course, the psychological game of attraction, it was a hit. You're gonna love this one. This one is not about manipulation. This is genuine natural chemistry. Order it now. All right. I'll see you guys inside. Peace out.